Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by defining a clear objective so every choice aligns with an outcome. Once done, gather and inspect representative data. Quality beats quantity, and you should remove duplicates and obvious noise. Make early decisions about model size and compute limits because those constraints shape training approach and iteration speed. Also pick an evaluation metric now so you can measure progress. Finally, set up versioning for data and configs. This prevents wasted time when you need to reproduce or roll back. You choose a model family appropriate to the task: transformers for text, diffusion for images, or fine-tune a robust base model to save time. Next, configure training hyperparameters, batch size, learning rate schedule, gradient accumulation, and add augmentations where they improve generalization. Make sure to implement regular validation checks and automated checkpointing so you can resume and analyze failures. Once stable, run short experiments to tune key hyperparameters, then scale up the best configuration for longer training runs. You now prepare the model for deployment by converting it to an efficient format and testing performance on representative hardware. Once deployed behind a stable API, enable logging, quotas, and content filters to protect users and infrastructure. Make sure to implement continuous monitoring for latency, accuracy drift, and unusual inputs so you can detect regressions. If performance degrades, roll back to the last good checkpoint and reproduce the issue offline. This single troubleshooting step resolves most deployment surprises.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.